Okay, we got a problem today. We gotta solve it. Problem I noticed is that when I plug this guy into here, this happens. And that is highly dangerous. So, what we're gonna do is we're gonna end up replacing this guy right there, that little switch. Luckily, I'd had that issue before, and I had preemptively ordered a switch, which is this guy right here. I basically looked up my model number and then looked it up, which was, I think, the cutoff switch, or the kill switch for this particular saw. This particular saw is no longer made. It's actually a pretty bad saw, but it's what we have. So we're going to switch it out today. Should be pretty straightforward. Should just be these four. Those four screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. Switch it out, and then that should fix the problem. So let's see what happens. Okay, so if this happens to yours and you don't have this particular saw, what you can do is you can look around your saw. At some point, you're going to have a sticker like this. That's going to be the model number. That's my serial number on this particular one. And then basically what you do is you Google this number, find a parts list, preferably from the manufacturer. That'll be your best bet, so you can get the correct one. Look it up, order the part. They'll send you the part, and then you can switch it out. All right, switching this guy out is going to be pretty easy. You're going to take your standard Phillips head screwdriver. There it is, right there. For this particular one, just make sure to see which ones you have. This is an old saw again. These are not even connected anymore. So what you do is you take your screws out. So this guy is in the right orientation. So if you can tell, same thing, same part. The only thing that's different is this one doesn't have the fancy name on it. This guy's a little bit different. So, all right, so let's see. We'll just do one wire at a time. Top left, here. This guy, here. And obviously, when you're doing this, do not, by any means, have any electricity going to any of these freaking appliances or any of these guys, because you will shock yourself and it'll be a memorable memory. So that's it. Okay, now let's see if that fixed the problem. Not the thing will blow up and then I have to go buy a new one. There we go. Looks like it's fixed. So now you have a better understanding on how to replace that guy right there. So hope this video helps. Like the video if you liked it, or if it brought you of some kind of comfort, let you know, hey, it's not that difficult to switch that guy out. So until the next video, thanks.